So I was doing the oil change, figured I'd take a look at the spark plugs here, and I pulled one out and I think it's time for a new one. So I just went to the store, walk it out. Night and day difference. So I'm gonna put the new ones in. I'm just breaking off the bolts that secure the coil packs. Popped off these here. Make life a little bit easier. Now they're out of the way. That. It's pretty nasty. There we go. Look at that. There we go. I put a little bit of anti-seize on the spark plug. Just get it in there nice and hand tightened. You don't need too much antifreeze, just a little bit. So torque specs on the Lexus is 19 foot-pounds.
If you like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.